Hello! Today, we are going to learn all about the letter A and its special short A sound. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! This is the letter A. Can you say A? Great job! Now, the short A sound is like the sound you hear at the start of the word apple. Listen closely. Apple. Can you say it with me? Ready? Apple. Wow, you are amazing! Now, let's learn some other words that start with the short A sound, just like apple. First, we have ant. Can you say it with me? Ant. Good job! Next is alligator. Repeat after me. Alligator. Great work! Here's another one. Axe. Let's say together. Axe. Axe. Awesome! One more. Animal. Let's say together. Animal. You did it! Now it's your turn. I'll show you a picture, and you tell me if it starts with the shortest sound. Are you ready? Does apple start with the short A sound? Yes, it does. Apple starts with an A. Does banana start with the short A sound? No, it doesn't. Does ant start with the short A sound? Yes, it does. Does cat start with the short A sound? No, it doesn't. Does alligator start with the short A sound? Yes, it does. Wow, you did such an amazing job today learning the short A sound. Remember, you can practice these words anytime. Apple, ant, alligator, axe, and animal. Thank you so much for learning with me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.